Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. 1 AmaZulu, 1 Kaizer Chiefs. A game umfana that you could have won about 4-1, 5-1, maybe 3-1, depending ukuthi kwenzakaleni, but we saw you throwing that goal nge-1-1. That game nge-1-1. Asiqale mfana ngegoli elikorwe AmaZulu. What did you think nge-defense yakho la?
Mina-ke angazi ngathini nge-defense because manje the very same goal ile goli leli elesishaye sidlalana neMarumo.
Maromo sure, yeah.
Manje akusho ukuthi wonke nje ama-goal sohlala sishaya ama-cross. I mean uyacrosselwa ucross usemva komigweli message ayikho same thing angazi noma ba-communicate because uyamtshela man away hera uyi-1 yabona imessage leyo njalo at least umuntu uzokwazi ukuthi ya-switch on akukhulunywa phela lo muntu uzitholela ibhola ayi-1 free header ukwini kuzamile ukuthi uyakhava lapha lethothi iyacross umuntu uvunduka nje la vunduka khona uthola nje free header. So meaning i-communication ayazange bekhona ucross azange akwazi ukukhuluma nomigweli naye azange afune ukuswitch on like look around mfethu ubone ukuthi kunobani phambi kwakho but wenzekile-ke kwakora mfethu obvious ibhola kanjalo ama-mistake wakho bakushaya ngawo.
Sure. Talk about the lack of communication between now Miguel no Cross, but we saw Cross having a good game. Angazi uyibone kanjani igame yakhe overall mfana?
Cross from kule game ya last week isidlala neCabo Skok. In fact from kuMarumo Gallants since uNtwana vela za grand. Because I think Marumo Gallants wangena second half if not mistaken. Then kuKoba Skok waba excellent. Nafanda yakho be excellent. Just nje yabona mangakhulunywa ediski nafita ayikho into soyenza because ohlezi isidliwa ngamagoli uthi yabheka nawe. So buya futhi siyolungisa silungisa into eyi-1 ukuthi ukukhuluma kuphela phela maybe kuba swinele game le ngabo 4 5 njengoba usho mfethu. I mean uMayo had ama-chances waphinde futhi wakora igoli bese lingenile waba offside. uLilepo had ama-chances wamesa ipenalty. I mean into ezinjalo mfethu na spirit siyasibulala mfethu.
Yeah. Talking about ukumesa we-riding, because minutes after bakade ukukora you guys got i-penalty. Abaningi bayalidispute but we'll check so faka i-video ephansi lokhu idlala while we speak about it. We saw uLilepo amesa i-penalty. What did you think nge-riding ngegame kaLilepo? Because you also see uLilepo uthatha ama-free kick. Most of them are off target or maybe aphezulu mara never straight ku-keeper. But what did you think why aloku amesa i-penalty fana?
Ashinama ngumuntu ojwayele ukukora ama-penalty. I think uthe maqeda ukumesa le penalty leli wavela waba off wafuna yonke into like ufuna ukupheka leya nto kanti bekumele uvela wabakhamba mfethu udlala ibhola namajita maybe bekukhona into bezoyenzeka mavele waba frustrated obvious namafan uyazi mfethu angeke aza kuyeka azohlala hey change ofit vele if mina for mina bengisho ukuthi bameke igame iziphele yabo.
All right, we also saw riding uModi create i-riding igoal agayo uShabalala scored a beautiful goal and sambona zama ukukora elakhe naye. What did you think ngegoal kaShabalala?
I mean i-composure kaShabalala it was perfect. Ukwazile like I think wonke amagoli if ever njengoShabalala Vandag le game kuba siwine nje kamnandi. Think enye into esishayile game besigijimisa kakhulu man because igame yonke since isiphethe amaZulu siwadlalisa half ground of which sama wazange sibe neplan yokuthi sokora kanjani or yini like yonke into man it was harsh yonke into it was harsh yonke into ijahile akekho nothi relaxisa igame nyana at least ukuthi sizama ukwenza lezi zinto lezi and ke ngithande uGuy credit to midfielder yami yabona umthetho noNgcobo high combination yabo mfethu mina ngiyiphakamisa. Bekumele nje ucoach ushintshele lapho nalapha angashintshi kakhulu man ne-composure yethu when it comes to ukugijimisa igame sizama ukuthi sibe neplan yokukora because masifuna ukungena namabhola 1 sise songena akekho no-1 ozama ukushaya on target. I think uLilepo kuphela umuntu oshaya ama-long range the rest bafuna ukungena ngalo score amagoli afensi yabo into esikhawathayo I think because manje igame siyiphethe yonke from first half udlalisa abantu i-half ground second half udlalisa abantu i-half ground so for uthi sobuya ngedraw ye-1-1 kanje ayisakhaunti right because manje noba singadlala ibhola excellent kanjani masingawina ngaswinanga so i-credit sinika amaZulu of which i-game plan yabo isibhanile bakwazile ukuthi bathole i-draw into bebayifuna away yabo and thina besifuna i-win of yazi I think igame yesithu sidlala i-home and eligini Marumo sidrowile nayo sidrowa namaZulu we home of which ama team athatha ama 1.1 points thina siluza 2 points.
Sure. And then we also saw that in keeper yamaZulu having producing in man of the match our riding performance Vandag. And earlier you spoke about Ungcobo after performance yakhe ya Vandag. Do you think umuntu ongamqala vele ukuya phambili?
Ungcobo from kudala mfethu mina I wish ukuthi vele ahlala aqala ama game because uyakwazi ukuread igame, uyakwazi ukushaya lama pass lawa because mawungathi uyabheka esikhathini esibhaya besiwathola ama chance through ubani Ungcobo uyakwazi ukudlalisa umthetho in fact yabo because iba khona lento le umthetho at least Vandag ukwazi ukushaya ama forward pass into besihlala sikhala ngayo when it comes to ukumaka ibhola ukuthatha ibhola nje hayi lapho ngomka 100 yonke into akayenza excellent Ungcobo mfethu uyakwazi ukudlalisa umthetho.
Okay mfana sikhuleke ngetracker zakho uMayo bamgaye enough minutes Vandag ukuthi aziprove njengeplayer oqeda ukulisayina. What did you think of his overall performance?
uMayo since afikile usasigaya lento lesifunayo ne so into esingakhala ngayo vele ile goal la Vandag la kaPulemodi ukuthi manje uPulemodi sekakorile why ufuna ukuqedezela le bhola ongaveluleke noba bekaligayidile ke just ukuligayela manje ufuna ukuliqedezela naye afuna ukukora beku-score sheet yabona manje maybe isikole kuba siphele nge-2-1 kahle igame siwine nge-first half second half besedlala inhliziyo nje ubona ukuthi okay mase senzele ukuthi makungangena leli eli-1 manje azange akwenzeke yabo because manje bese kuyinhliziyo kuphela bese idlala ukuthi amajita bese waphume already egamini because igame siwine eva first half if besitshintshe nge-3-1 besiqedile ngamazwene maybe amanye amagoli bewazuza so mina into engifuna emajiteni ukuthi at least awuzama ukurelaxa man masingene eboxini sibe neplan ukuthi sizama ukushaya man epaleni ngoba manje thina sifuna ukushaya sifuna ukuze singene ngalo hey.
And also talking about ukungena ngebhola abantu abaningi bakhale ngokuthi ucoach aka-change at least nge-60 minutes ama-players owafaka azokwazi ukwenza umehluko. We saw him a-change later on. Did are you complaining about that or you cabanga ukuthi it's a good thing?
When you change at least maybe nge-second half if bekashintshe from nge-second half yabona ufaka maybe sifaka ucele at least azozama ukuthi kuleya middle fielder because yena uyakwazi ukwabamba amabhola sikwazi ukuthi singene ngawo asikwazi asijahisa igame ukuthi manje the way besigijimisa ngakhona nge-first half because mawuphethe yena noNgcobo kube umthetho yamtshela nje ukuthi kumthetho wona sishayile i-dirty job masishayile i-dirty job kanje lamajita ayi-2 abamba amabhola oyi-2 siyakwazi ukuthi okay le ipace esizifunayo sikwazi ukuzithola manje ngoba manje sijahe sonke le ipace esizifunayo so sithola sinini asibamba se-offside sinini asibamba se-onside yamesa yabona ba ngenye indlela because yena ivele ebeqale ngocele masithi second half azama ukufaka yena sazi ukuthi okay manje seba yi3 umdu upule emasayidini.
Alright. So I've picked up ukuthi kunezinto ezi2 going to the next game ufuna bayi change ukuthi amajita a relax kancane and nabo coach ba change on time. Is there any other thing ufuna ukuyishintsha going to the next game making sure nje ukuthi ayiwin?
Going to the next game I think akazama ugamanya amajita chance mfethu like abo Chislett bakhona I mean amajita I think sebathole enough game time bekumele ukuthi ama game aso angeke sihlale sithi thina mase score 1 goal sesohluleka ukora maybe another 2 goals or 3 goals phela I think sagcina ukora 2 goals sihlala neStellenbosch the rest ama game uthi i1 mina mascore leyo 1 goal leyo kuqala maybe game singakwazi ukuyiwina but mawukuthi siyagijimisa ibuya isikhawathe thina sakhona ukuthi singa equalize but the rest obesenza sigijimisa igame wasigijimisa igame uthola ukuthi manje asakhona ukuthi score yabo
no ngiyakubamba mfethu ibhola lethu ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo thank you siyabonga
sibonge
danko.